Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go to the Sandbar, and today the weather is beautiful here in the Keys. It is winds of 8 miles an hour tops. Right now it's only 1 mile an hour, which is really awesome and flat. So we're gonna have a good time at the Sandbar, and I want you guys to come with us and enjoy the day right here in the Florida Keys. So here we go. Alright, here comes the Nordic Star. Guys, look at that flag. We're all sweating bullets here because it's so hot. But you know what? I prefer hot and not cold. Today is going to be an awesome day. And here goes the boat into the water. We're getting ready to head out within the next few minutes. The clips of us leaving the marina is really relaxing to me. Is it relaxing for you? Or should we cut down and do less of it? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Today, the day is beautiful, with the chance of rain of about 12% and the temperature around 90 degrees, but it feels like 100 degrees plus. The winds has been blowing really strong for a while, and this is the first weekend in a long time that we have really low winds. We are now passing Tavernier Creek Bridge, which is US 1 overseas highway in the Florida Keys. Since this weekend is such perfect boating weather, even the kayaks and jet skis are out having an awesome time.
What is that right there? Is that a buoy, a black thing? Those two black things? They're not all divers and all that, right? No. Divers is the white balls, right?
No, divers are a flag with red and white.
Oh, okay, okay.
And I think going through it.
Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, the diver sign, yeah.
But divers shouldn't be here. This is a hatch.
No, yeah.
Claro, porque estoy llanita.
Y el otro no te tocaba allá adelante.
No, que va ni loca.
Y este bro está muy bueno. Mira ahí, mamá, la mancha
Sí.
blanca ahí.
Es esa. Y 3.
Mira, ve.
¡Ay, un starfish! ¡Qué
Mira, cogiste
linda!
la 360.
¿La cogí?
Claro, porque la 360 coge todo.
¡Ay, qué linda!
Ya cuando chequeé eso, yo lo busco. Mira, mamá, es ahí.
Ah, sí, pero yo la veo muy chiquitica. Era...
Bueno, que ella cambia. Recuerda que todo esto cambia todo.
Pero aquí está más bonito el agua.
Siempre tenemos que buscar el poste.
Claro.
La marca de Eri, le decimos.
Sí.
Ok, aquí ahora.
Ajá.
Voy a echar para adentro un poquito.
Ajá.
Y voy a tirar el ancla.
Ok.
Ahí va a subir la orilla.
Alright.
We arrived to Tavernier Key Sandbar and we just finished setting our anchor and anchor pin. So now it's time for the fun to begin. Alright guys, here we have the bodega cooler, and today we have sea trial for it. We're here at the Sandbar and we're gonna see how that works today, full time, all day long, and we have it filled with all our goodies in there, and we're gonna see how it works. So far right now battery is at 99%, so we're starting from there and let's see how it ends later at the end of the day. Stay tuned. All right guys, we're gonna have a little cigar here at the Sandbar, and as you can see, this is our Jeanneau brand Keys Boating Channel tobaccos. So we're gonna go ahead and smoke a cigar here and have fun with my son here. He's gonna smoke another one, and we're gonna have a good time here. So guys, stay tuned because there's more to come. What a beautiful day. I want to thank God for giving us good health and beautiful days like this at the Sandbar, enjoying with awesome, beautiful people all the time. Thank you, Lord, for all your blessings. What better than this at the Sandbar? Cigar, your favorite drink, and a beautiful day with family. Best thing, you can't compare that. You can't top that off. I mean, it's the best thing. Oh, well, we could top it off. If we add this and add $1 million on top of that, then that's a top off. Thanks for watching, people. All right, guys, I also want to say thanks to Two Bears Outdoors for making these for me. These are specially handmade tobaccos with the logo, our channel logo on there. And Two Bears Outdoors did these for me, and I have a box full here that if you're here at the Sandbar and you want to come by and say hi one day, just look for those flags right up there. You come by, you can have one of these so you can enjoy here at the Sandbar with us. So stay tuned for more, because there's a lot more to come still. It's early, it's about 10:30, 11 in the morning, and people are just starting to get here. It's still a little empty, but people are coming around little by little. And guys, what a beautiful day. Enjoy your Sunday. Have fun with your boats. Peace from the Keys. That's pretty cool. Dale, suéltala.
Ven, ven.
Yeah, she swims faster than you.
Right next to her, yeah.
Yeah, swims faster than her. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Oh my God. Yeah, that's something Pearl will do. That's Pearl. Yep. You are her island. Oh my God, that was pretty cool. No, she wants to go back to the float. Cookie!
Oh, here.
Oh, we come every week.
All right, guys, we have here Carlos, that is from Miami. Miami, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Miami and
Morelli.
Mirelli,
Mirelli.
right here. Oh yeah, you can't miss that, people. Mirelli's. And they're here from Miami, having an awesome time here in their boat right here at the Sandbar, Tavernier Key. And he's a subscriber way before, and he came to us and say hi. That is awesome, guy. Thank you so much for coming by and saying hi to us.
Yes, sir.
What do I always say? Peace from the Keys.
Peace from
Peace
the
from the
Keys.
Keys.
A little bit more. Dale. Another drink. Another shot. All right, now we're ready. So.
Sí, con están un poco amargados ustedes, están un poco slow.
Ready?
No, but you know what? Slow is good here in the Keys.
I know.
You know what? Living in the Keys gives you an extra 10 years of life.
Yes.
And that's something that I've learned because it's so peaceful. The traffic, everything is peaceful here in the Florida Keys. So
No, that's
yeah.
our goal. We're both teachers and we're at the end of our career.
Dude,
Good. Yeah,
And we're
my
trying
wife's
to-
a teacher.
wait,
So, yeah.
Oh,
you
yeah?
relax and you retire down here with your 401k or whatever, teachers union or
We're
whatever.
ready to come down.
Hell yeah, yeah.
Right.
That's what I did. Before I retired, I brought down architecture. I did architecture for maybe another 5 years here in the Keys, and then after that I just retired completely, and now I'm doing locksmithing, which is my retirement plan.
Okay.
So I have a company here in the Keys that does locksmithing from Key Largo all the way to Marathon.
Wow, that's cool.
Pero you know what? It's no matter what work you do here, you feel like you're on vacation every day.
Right.
And that's a awesome
true.
thing. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, and 3. You're watching Keys Boating Channel.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a practice.
Ready?
Practice.
We'll do a practice run.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right.
You're watching Keys Boating Channel.
Woo! The camera's not even taking you.
have to do it with me.
What was your name again?
My name's Charlie.
Charlie from Miami again, and he's watching the channel as well.
Keys Boating Channel.
But you gotta say it when I say 3,
Okay,
and
go,
you're gonna
go.
say it like you're watching.
You're watching.
Enthusiasm.
Gotta show some enthusiasm.
Exacto. Okay, we have Charlie here, and he's got to say something to you guys all over YouTube. So what is that, Charlie?
I'm watching Keys Boating Channel.
Yes, sir.
I know.
Thank you so much, Charlie.
No problem.
Oh, you're Toma. Toma, Bella.
Sécate un poco más.
Esto se está virando. Se va. Ha virado completo para acá.
You ready?
All right, people, it's that time of the day again where we have to grab something to eat. You know what? This sandwich here tastes 100 times better here at the Sandbar than it does at home. You agree to that, don't you?
I agree.
It tastes really good. This is Pearl's second time at the Sandbar, and we've been trying to show her how to jump into the water, but I think it's going to take a little longer for her to get it just right. She's trying to, but she's still afraid. All right.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, we have people here from Miami. My God, they're having a good time here in the Keys, and you can tell they're having a good time. But look, the whole family's here having an awesome time. Look at this right here.
You're watching Keys Boating Channel.
1, 2.
You're watching Keys Boating Channel. Yeah! The first one was better.
All right, guys, it's been an awesome time here at the Sandbar, and today, I don't know why, but back in the 4th of July weekend, it wasn't as full as it is today. Today we have a lot of people here, and like always, the people that come here to this Sandbar, they're super friendly. They all want to be part of the channel, and thank you so much, guys, for being part of the channel and giving us the shout out. Thank you guys for subscribing, and like I said, this is what it looks here at 1:30, 2 o'clock at the Sandbar. Check it out. There's boats everywhere. Not to mention, all the way on the other side, there's a lot more boats over there. We have a whole group of people there at the Sandbar. And on this side, it's full as well. Just can't see it because they're all on the other side of the boat there. But today, it's been a really busy day here at the Sandbar. Awesome, we love it, relaxing, and what can I say? I always say the same things you probably mentioned, but it's what it is here. It's relaxing and enjoyable and beautiful here at the Sandbar.
Bye-bye. Mi princesa.
When I say relaxing, it's relaxing. Even they are relaxing too. Yeah, they had a good time today, and this is their second time here at the Sandbar. Lily, the one on the raft, she's been here several times in the water, but Pearl, this is her second time. They love it here. Every time we're home, when we say let's go on the boat to the Sandbar, they jump all over the place with joy and bark and everything because they love it here. Even the dogs love it here at the Sandbar. We're on video now, so you're gonna subscribe to the channel, right? Bye. Great people here at the Sandbar. Everyone is always friendly. Everybody subscribes to the channel, and most of them already subscribed. And we met some subscribers today. Today's been really special because it's really awesome when you have subscribers coming to you, and we had that today. So thank you so much, guys, for coming by to say hi. And all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. All right, guys, just a little noter on the tide clock, where I installed that. Even from here, we're in the water at the Sandbar, the boat is over there, and if you can see the clock right over there in the middle inside, all the way from here, I can see exactly what's going on with the tide. Right now it's a little bit over high tide, so that means it's starting to come back down again, and that's a good thing to know, because when you're in the Sandbar, you need to know when that low tide is coming, because you have to move those boats out if you need to. But with that clock there, you'll be, from just looking at it at a glance, you'll know everything you need to know immediately. How many hours before high or low tide? Perfect. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So I highly recommend having one of those in your boat, if you can put one like that. You won't be able to put it on like a center console or anything like that, because it can get wet. But inside a cabin like that, it's perfect, and it gives you all the information just at a glance that you need to know all the time. Peace from the Keys. All right, guys, it's about that time again where we have to pick up and head back to the marina. It's been an awesome day. I can't not complain, but I never do complain when we come here. It's always an awesome time here, no matter what. But it's that time of the day we have to pick up and start heading back to the marina, and then we have to see if we have that docking dilemma happening today. We don't know until we get there, so we'll see. Hopefully not. So it's that time to pick up and head back. Stay tuned because there's more to come.
Take your time. I'm holding it right here.
Yeah?
I'm holding the boat right here.
All right.
And then the pole's right there. This pole's been the best right here.
Always.
Ever since we got to make it so much easier.
Even on the old boat, which
I know.
is bigger and heavier.
It's the same one, right?
Same one. It still works good. And here, even better because this one doesn't weigh as much.
Yeah, hell yeah. This motherfucker's super quiet, bro.
Alright, so we're taking off back to the marina. And here's the thing that I was talking about, the tide clock. Right now, it's 5 hours till low tide. So when I get to the marina, you have to leave a little slack because low tide is coming in 5 hours. So that's why that thing is a great help, because it makes it easy to know when you need to have the slack. So here we go to the marina. Stay tuned for the docking dilemma coming soon. The ride back to the marina was perfect. It was an excellent weather day. Wish we can get more weather like this on the weekends. After a long day at the Sandbar, it is so nice to arrive to a marina that you don't have to deal with docking dilemma. Today, no docking dilemma. That is a good thing. We are now getting ready to back into the basin. And always remember, when you back in, slow in neutral is your best friend. The slower you go, the less problems you'll have. Alright guys, this is the outcome of all day being at the Sandbar with the cooler on all day long. It went down to 96 from 99. That's only 3% the whole day of using the cooler turned on and have all our drinks cold. And there it is right over there. So the cooler did really good on power. Awesome. The only problem that we found so far is that you have to turn it on since you leave the dock, so that way when you get to the Sandbar, within a couple of hours you have cold drinks inside there. You can't just go and then turn it on over there, because it takes a while for it to start up and cool down. But other than that, it's perfect. The battery consumption is perfect. We had an awesome time. I highly recommend it still, even though you have to turn it on with time, so that way it has enough time to cool down. Other than that, perfect. Hey guys, we have everything washed down and getting ready for the next Sandbar adventure. Everything's washed down, engine has been flushed, everything is clean, ready to go back on the rack and ready for the next Sandbar adventure. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and don't forget to splash the like button. And we'll see you on the next Sandbar visit. Peace from the Keys.